Hello everyone, I'm Romulus Robisto, and yes, I found something to talk in. It's a cheap microphone on my headset, so it works. But now, time to get to the real stuff. Now, we're gonna be learning about batch file programming. Um, so first, I guess we'll get right into it. So first line of code, you always want. I'll show you what happens if you don't have it, but you want it. So at echo off, so shift to echo off, pretty easy. And then you might want to title it something. Like if you don't, just say command prompt or something, or directly, something like that. But I'll title it like hi. Yeah, that's the best title in the world. It really is. Now color. About color, it's two. It's a number, letter, number, letter. If that makes sense. But it has to be two of something, right? So if you just go to Start, Run, or Windows 7 in Vista, I'm pretty sure. Vista. I don't use Vista because it sucks. Because it stinks, man. It stinks. But, type in cmd.exe and it'll open up with this. You click enter, then the command prompt will open. See how it shows like the directory. Then you can type, I'll show you what at echo off does. So if I type at echo off, enter, then everything is good. Now to do the color, type in color space slash question mark, or you could do it this way too. Help space color, or I'm gonna do that again. You can do it this way. You just type in a bunch of random stuff. It doesn't matter. If it's an error, it'll tell you this. So now this is all the colors. First one is gonna be the background color. See how this is black? If I use like, let's say 4. 4's gonna be my, oh, I need to type color though. 4's gonna be my background, and F is gonna be bright white, so F. So 4F, enter, and as you can see, it makes this kind of background. And you can experiment with it if you want. So you just type in color, and 0A is like a matrix name. 0 is the background, it's black. A is like green, and it just comes up this. And then you could exit out of it. Now, I like 1F. So 1F, it's blue background, white text. So then another preferred command is local host, no spaces. After that, then you use space. Sorry, had a little cough. But now type in enable delayed expansion. No spaces here, as you can see. Trust me, you want it. Can't really explain it, but just do it. For the sake of this, man. Okay, now to make comments, type rem, or see how in Notepad++ it turns green like this too. Turns green, but you could be using regular Notepad, and this is still all compatible. Compatible. You know what I mean, though? So now, so I like using these ones, and I like to separate my pages with it by just holding the hashtag sign down and like a big thing, and then I'll go in the middle of it and do this for those middle of that, and type what this page is called. And I just like to keep everything connected because I have OCD. Now enter twice again. And now we're going to set up a marker which you could go to later. So you just colon and whatever you want is the marker. So I'm going to name, in this case, home. And after every marker, well, not, you don't have to have it. In certain cases, you don't want it. In certain cases, you do. Most of the time, you do. But it just CLS clears the screen. I'll show you what that does really quick. So if you type in, see all this junk, this junk. The way to get rid of it is CLS, and if you click enter, it clears it all. So that's all it does. And then echo displays something on screen. If Java, it would be the document.write, or VBS, it would be the first quotes, or HTML, just type anything. You know what I mean? They'll display something on screen in the command prompt window. So you type echo, ACHO. Didn't know? I just rhymed it like a boss. Now, type anything you want here, like hello, I didn't even mean this to hello world. Yes, sup world. Now, after that, pause. And pause, it'll say press any key to continue as a text. I'll show you really quick. So if I open command prompt really quick, if I type in pause, enter, press any key to continue. Right? So you don't want that. Or you might, but I don't like it. So you do greater than, less than, null, NUL. Enter, exit. Oh, if I spell exit right, which I just did, yeah. Exit, obviously, if you didn't know, exits it. Pause, null, pauses the program. So if you didn't have that, it would just basically open, close instantly. This will display hello world. This will change our color. By default, the color is 0F, but I like 1F. So 1F? No, not 0F. Yeah, 0F. But I like 1F. You kind of want this. I can't really explain what it means, but just trust me in it. Title, whatever you want. And yeah, and we're just gonna make another marker. So we're just gonna call these markers because there's not really a good way to call them. So we'll just call this second page. There, and then we'll type CLS, and then echo space lines to make it look neat. Now, this is what I wanted to show you. Echo, and then if you put a dot, it will make a blank line. So see this line right here? That's just blank. That's what it's gonna do. It's gonna basically enter the BR tag in HTML kind of thing, I guess. Well, two of them actually, to be exact. Two of them would do, but you know what I mean. So echo, and then you type in whatever you want. So second page, and then echo dot, right? Then echo, and then just those lines again. I'm just gonna make this one long because I can. Then pause, null. Okay. Enter. Go to. Now, here's the new command that you guys want to see. Go to, and if you're wondering, you can have multiple of these. You don't have to have one. Obviously, but okay. I just say these are pages. These are pages. Consider pages. But go to. Now, this will go to a certain one. So whatever you call this, so colon, and then whatever you called it, is what you're gonna go to. So if I say go to home, it's gonna go all the way back up here and do this. Or if I type go to second page with the underscore right there, it will just come all the way back up here and display it again. So it'll just repeat forever. And what I just do, okay, I did nothing. So you just go to home. Some people like to do this, go to with the colon, but I don't know, I just never do it, so I like using this. I'm lazy. That way, and then we'll just type here go to second page. And this will just go here. You actually don't have to have this. If you didn't have this, it will automatically just go to second page because it's right under it. But yep, this will clear the screen and say second page. And yeah, next tutorial I'll show you about less variables. But let me just show you when I run this. So let me just see here really quick. I have the folder open somewhere right here. So my first batch file, I'm pretty sure we named it. Or I already I forgot to I forgot to show you how to save a batch file. That could have been bad, but you click save as. Go here, you don't have to click all files, but if you want to you can. In Windows 7 you just type .bat, it'll automatically know it's batch file. But I guess if you wanted to, you just click off files. But I'll show you that if you use TXT, it will be fine. So you'll just save it as whatever you want. So I'm just gonna save like this, you know, because I can. .bat. You want this BAT here. This is what makes it a batch file. What makes it has this like icon. So yeah. And I already saved it. I totally forgot to show you guys that. So okay. So oh shoot. Exit. So I'll run it. My batch file. Hello world it says. Pause. So till we press any key. Enter. And it exited out. What if I delete these underscores? Maybe that will work. Yeah, there's the same. Okay. Sorry guys, technical difficulties. We'll try that again. Enter. Yeah. Okay, I guess you cannot. Don't put underscores. I thought you could. This was probably my first time trying it. I was just testing it out, I guess. Like, pretty sure it was gonna work, but I guess it doesn't. But yeah, see, it just cycles through because hello world, echo, hello world, displays. Then pause and slow. If it was no, it'll just say press any key to continue. So you click any key. If you click enter, it says go to second page. So come here and then it'll display all this. So yeah, it'll display all that. Like, oh shoot, display all that. And then it'll have the pause again, and it'll go back here, so just infinite, like this. You could, yeah. Okay. So that's all for today. I know I came into a bunch of commands, but if you could just keep on watching it, I'm just gonna be a very straightforward man, okay? I'm not gonna go into detail of all this, like everything. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Adios. I'm just gonna open this broadcast and it looks cool, doesn't it? Just to woo. Okay. And then I'll just stop recording. So adios, amigos.